Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Sheikh Mohammad Izam and today I am going to present my business idea. So imagine being a busy working professional and you have to take out 2 or more hours from your busy schedule, or you are too lazy to get your car cleaned or detailed. What if there was a car washing services that come to your doorstep and you just have to hand over the keys to them? We, the eco-friendly Steam Epic team, allow users to schedule their work within minutes by using our websites and mobile application. We provide different automated detail services that are cleaning and polishing. So here many questions arises like how we are going to clean the car and what type of material are used to clean the car, and also is it safe for the car or not. So here is the answer: Optimus Steamer.
Experience the future of the car wash. Less water, better results.
A machine that uses steam vapor technology that cleans the car interior as well as the exterior using only fraction amount of water. The steam is hot enough to clean any dirt particles or greasy substances, and it's also gentle enough not to damage the car surface. It provides unique capability to clean the car and also sanitize the water simultaneously. It kills 90% of the bacteria, germs, virus and other microorganisms. Most importantly, it is one of the easiest ways to clean your car with an eco-friendly way. Like rivals, our steam cleaning technology uses very less amount of water. The steam is not like other cleaning agents that are harmful for the environment. So here's another question arises: what makes us unique from others? So the answer is, firstly, there are not enough competitors in the market that uses steam wash technology as we do. Our concept is to clean the car efficiently that uses less amount of water and store time via mean of in-fasting doorstep opportunities. Our prices are not high enough as compared to the performance we are providing to our customer. So now let's talk about the target market. The target market we are using are the new cars owner, as they are more likely to clean their car twice a week. Then we are targeting luxury cars owners because they place high importance of their car to be looking good. And then probably not the least, we are going to target the sports car owner because to them their prides are more important than their living. Now last but not the least, we are going to target the local businessmen as they have fleets of cars and also small vans that must be kept clean to maintain the image of their company. As for the marketing of our service Steam Epic, it will be quite difficult in the beginning, but we will be using social media campaigns and advertising channel and also radio and newspaper that will be beneficial for our publicity, and by giving membership card to our customers so that they will be attracted towards us. And lastly, we will collaborating with the car showrooms so that they can give us most loyal customers that will be beneficial for our profit. So in the end, why we launched this business idea? It is because Pakistan is literally facing shortage of water, and the crisis of water is everywhere in the world and also in Pakistan, and everyone is facing this problem. By launching this idea, we will be consuming less amount of water, and the water that we consume is equal to the no water being wasted.